Guys, what is up? A quick tip for you today, guys. Now we use our PCs for multiple things at once, and if you're a new creator, you might not be having the luxury of having multiple machines to do your jobs. So right here at my desktop PC, as you can see, I'm using it to render a few videos that I've made. So what happens is when we are rendering the video, the machine becomes quite laggy, and when you're trying to do something else, like you want to check the comments or something on your channel, that is what I usually do while letting the videos render. I just check things like what's what, I reply to comments, and during this stuff the machine becomes very laggy. Now we are going to fix that. Very simple. You are not going to need any kind of tools, no software required. So what we'll do is we'll just go to the task manager, and this is Windows 10, by the way. It might look a little different if you are on Windows 7. And as you can see, shortcut is using most of the CPU over here. We will go to details and we will sort this by CPU usage. See, that's what I was trying to tell you. The machine is quite clearly overloaded. So qmel.exe is the basic process that exports videos for a shortcut. In your software, if you are using Adobe Premiere or something like that, it might look a little different, but once you sort it with CPU usage, it will be generally on the top. So what are we going to do here is we'll just right click, set priority, and for you this is going to be normal. I have already set it to below normal, so that is what we are going to do. Just set it to below normal, and this tells your computer like, hey, it's okay if this task is a little bit slower, but I'd like to give my priority to something else, for example replying to the comments. So that's that. There's one other trick that you can do is get into set affinity, and I'm going to remove these last two CPU cores. So this is a hex core CPU, and I'm going to have 4 cores for rendering, and the other 2 is going to help us do our secondary works on our PC. So that is it. I hope you like this quick tip, guys. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time.